In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete contact on your account. Right here in the inbox, you can delete a contact by clicking on these three dots and selecting Delete. Another way to delete a contact is by using the delete action in the Flow Builder. Let us refresh the page so you can see the contact has been deleted. Lastly, you can also delete a contact from the Contact section by selecting the contact you want to delete. Click on the menu icon and select Delete. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.